Hello friends, today's topic is polynomials as we have already covered 7 parts based on this chapter polynomials and this is the 8th part of the chapter polynomials. And today we are going to learn or we are going to see that how the properties help or the formula help us in solving the sum. So today we are going to solve that which formula is suitable for solving this sum. So first sum is 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. Yes friends, now as we have already solved that LHS was given to us and we need to find RHS, but the reverse process is to be carried out over here, that RHS is given in the question and that we need to find that what is the LHS. Now after seeing this formula, this value 9x square plus 6xy plus y square, so let's write it first. 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. The similarity I can find of the formula is x square plus 2xy plus y square is equals to x plus y the whole square. Yes friends, but the thing that we need to identify and elaborate in this question is that x square, that means it should be 3x square should be there over here, then and then only it can be replaced, so it is 3x square. After doing this we have almost solved our sum. So 2 as it is x, we already found 3x is our x, from where we can see that what is our x here. From here we can see that 3x is our value for x. I hope you all might be getting it friends. Now what we are going to do, now y square, that means it should be directly y, so we have to write y like this plus y square. In this way we have elaborated, and here square was there, x plus y the whole square. So value for x plus y, what would be the value for x plus y the whole square? How we can write it? X plus y, that means 3x plus y the whole square. This must be our answer. I hope you all might be getting it friends. So this must be our answer. So if you are little bit confused that how this answer came, so we'll do the reverse process as we have already done in our previous video also. So by that this is the answer that we have obtained. I am writing over here so that we don't forget that what we have got the answer. So I'm writing answer over here, 3x plus y the whole square was the answer that we have got. So we'll try to elaborate and let's check it whether we have found the answer that is correct or not. Yes friends, by the same formula we have to do. That means x plus y the whole square. X plus y the whole square is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. I hope you all might be getting it. Now we have to just put the value of 3x plus y the whole square. And this what we can do, x we have supposed as 3x and y as it is. Yes friend, so we have to just place the value of x, that means 3x square plus 2 as it is. X means 3x, y means y itself, and here it is y square. Yes, I hope you all might be getting it. Now let's solve it for the 9x square. Now 2 3 is 6 plus 6 x into y, xy plus y square. So you can see that we have got the question. That means our answer 3x plus y the whole square was correct. In this way also we can check that whether we have got the answer is correct, as lot many students will face problem that whether we have found the answer that is correct or not, so that we can check. We can also check it by this method also. By just reversing the process we will be able to check that whether we have found the correct answer or not, as we have done over here. Now let's begin with the second sum for the day, that is 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Again I can see the same formula but only little bit changes there is. So let's first write the formula, that is x square minus 2xy plus y square is equals to x minus y the whole square. Yes friends, I hope you all might be getting it that why I have used this formula. Now we have to just put the question below it, minus 4y plus 1, it is 1. Now we have to solve it further. Before solving that, what we are supposed to find, we need to find the value for x and y. So I am solving below over here. 2x square is this. Now minus 2 into 2x. Yes friends, I hope you all might be getting it. Our question was, there is a little bit mistake in the question. I have written little bit different question. What was the difference of y? Yes friends, so here it was 4y square, so it will be 4y. Similarly over here also it will become 2y plus 1. I hope you all might be getting it. By this we can easily identify the value of x and y from the question, and we can try to easily relate it with our question. So from that, what we have got? We have got the value of x as 2y and value of y as 1. So let's just put the value of x and y in the given equation. 2y minus 1 the whole square. Yes friends, so this is our answer, 2y minus 1 the whole square. So let's write the answer over here and try to check that whether we have found the answer correct or not. So let's check it whether we have found the answer. That is very easy process, but it is little bit different from the previous one. We were finding LHS was given to us, but in this RHS to be given, and we need to find LHS. So by this sum, that what was our equation? X minus y the whole square was our equation, is equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square. Yes friends, this was the equation. Now what we are supposed to do, we have to just put the value of x and y. That means our question 2y minus 1 the whole square. Try to relate it with our question friends. Yes, now value of x we have got is 2y and value of y is minus 1. We have to keep in mind that value of y is minus 1 or not. No, it is plus 1, because this minus is of formula only. So the value of y is plus 1. That's the only mistake that students make, and they tell that their answer is incorrect. So each and everything you have to keep in your mind while solving the sum friends. So value of x is 2y, so 2y square minus 2, x value is 2y and y value is 1. This is y, this is also y, plus y square, that means 1 square. Now what we will find? 4y square minus 4y plus 1. So you can see that we have obtained the value that is equals to the question. So that means our answer 2y minus 1 square, this is our answer, was correct. I hope you all might be getting it. That was easier sum. So let's begin with the third sum. So friends, if you have understood, then pause the video and try to solve the next sum by your own. I am solving over here for you. So let's begin with the third sum for the day. That is, after seeing the formula, after seeing the question, I can relate it with one formula, that is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. That was the formula that we have already learned, but as per xy is our question. So let's write the formula based on that only. Here LHS is to be given and we need to find RHS only, that is simple sum. So our answer would be x plus y, x minus y. I hope you all might be getting it friends. That's very easy. Now try to solve, pause the video and try to solve by own, as you have solved this type of sum previously also. So we'll put the value for question over here. It is x square minus y square by 100. Yes, this is our question. So how we will try to relate it friends? So this is our first step. So that can be further solved. How I can solve x the whole square, y upon 10. Why I have done 10? Because 100 is the square of 10. So in this way we can try to relate it with our question, this step. Now we can directly write this step. So from this we can tell as that value of x is as it is and value of y is y plus y upon 10. So let's write the value of x is x itself and value of y is y by 10 as per our question. So we'll put the value of x and y in the right hand side of the given formula. Yes, so value of x as it is plus y by 10 into bracket x minus y upon 10. This is our answer friends. Yes, I hope you all might be getting it. So that can be solved further also. So let's try to solve it further. Yes friends, we'll try to solve it further so that we can obtain the given question and verify that whether we have obtained correct or not. This type of sum I have already taught you that x should be multiplied first with this x, then should be minus y by 10. Yes, so let's try to solve it. X square minus xy by 10. Yes, we have done the first process. Now the second process is y by 10 should be multiplied with this x also, and y by 10 should be multiplied with this y by 10 also. So y by 10 into x plus xy upon 10. Yes friends, this both can be cancelled. That will solve in the next step. Now plus y into minus y, that would be minus y means y square, and 10 means 100. So what we can do friends, we can cancel the two values, that is minus xy by 10 plus xy by 10, that is cancelled. So what we are obtaining is x square minus y square by 100. That is our question. So our answer was correct. I hope you all might be getting it. What was our answer? X plus y by 10 or x minus y by 10? Yes friends, that means we have solved the sum correctly. I hope you all might be getting it very easily. So let's begin with the next part for the video. Yes friends, in the same thing we are supposed to do. LHS to be given over here, but it is three places. It is having three values. Till now we have done for the two values. It is for three values. LHS to be given and RHS we need to find. Only one formula we are going to use in each and every sum. So that's why I have written the formula over here, so that we don't need to write formula again and again while solving the sums, as I am already having lack of space while solving so much big sums over here. So friends, if you like my content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin with the first sum. So what is our first sum? X plus 2y plus 4z the whole square. This is our question. So we will directly begin with the right hand side, as on the left hand side we have already question is to be written. So you can try to relate it, that value of x is x, value of y is 2y, and value of z is 4z. Yes friends, this thing I have told you. Yes, so I hope you all might be getting it easily. So let's begin with solving it with right hand side directly. Yes, value of x is x as it is, so x square plus y square, that means value of y was 2y, so 2y square, plus value of z is 4z, so 4z square, plus now we have to just put the value of x and y in this 2 as it is. Value of x is x and value of y is 2y, that we have to do. Similarly for the 2 as it is, y plus z, y means 2y and z means, what is the value of z friends? Sorry, I have written mistakenly over here. The value of z should be 2z. 2z is the value of z. Yes, now 2z plus, I am writing over here, as I am having lack of space, that's why I am writing over here 2 as it is. Z means 2z and x means x as it is. Now we are about to end our sum. So let's write the final step. X square as it is, 2y square, that means 4y square. I hope you all might be getting it friends. And the value of z is 4 only. I have made it incorrect, so our sum would be totally incorrect. So you don't have to make mistake like this friends. I hope you all might be getting it, that the error made by me, so that I can make you understand that we don't have to square by saying the question. We have to just put the value that is to be given over here. So value of z is 4z. Yes, that was a mistake made by me intentionally, so that you don't make mistake while solving the sums like this, as you can directly do z. Yes, but there the value of z is 4z, so that's the only thing that we have to keep in mind friends. Now 4z square we all know, that is 16z square, plus 2 to the 4xy. Yes friends, I hope you all might be getting it, plus 16yz plus 8xz. I hope you all might be getting it friends. So what we have got, the answer is x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 4xy plus 16yz plus 8xz. I hope you all might be getting it. So The only thing that you have to keep in mind is don't make mistake as I already done. Yes friends. Yes, again I am telling you, don't make such mistakes, silly mistakes, so that your whole sum would be incorrect because of that one silly mistake. After knowing each and everything, then also you will do the sum incorrect. I hope you all might be getting it, friends. So let's begin with the second sum. So if you have understood, pause the video and try to solve the remaining sums by your own. As you have to use only single formula, I have written that formula also on the screen. Yes, so let's begin with the second sum. So value of x would be 2x. Yes, friends. So for your convenience, let's write the value of x over here. Value of x we have taken as 2x. Value for y is, what is the value for the y that we can get is, friends, over here is -1. Yes, -1 we can say, because minus y square it has become, and value of for z would be, what would be the value for the z, friends, that we are going to see is z itself. Yes, I hope you all might be getting it, friends. Now we'll put the equation and try to solve it by our own. Now let's solve the right hand side of the following given question. Value of x is 2x, so we'll do the square of 2x. We have to just put the value. I am putting the values in this. This is the right hand side. I'm just putting the value of x, y, and z in the equation, and we'll find the answer. I hope you all might be getting it. So now pause the video and try to solve by your own. Plus z plus -1 y. -1 y was our value for y, that is -1 y square, plus z as it is, that means value of z is z, so that we can return right over here is 2, as it is value for x is 2x and value for y is -1 y. I hope you all might be getting it, friends. And value for z would be 2, as it is value for y we already know, -1 y, it is -1 y also. Value for z is z itself. This is 2 and that is z. So don't get confused between my 2 and z. 2 as it is, and value for z is z, and value for x is 2x. Now we have almost completed our sum. So we'll write the final step and we'll get the answer, friends. 2x square, that means 4x square, -1 square, that means +1, and y square means plus y square, plus z square, plus 2 2s are 4, and 4 into -1, that means -4 it would be there. What it would be there, friends? It would be -4. So I'm writing -4 x into y, xy. Now 2 into -4 would be -2, and y into z would be yz, plus 2 into 2, this 2 into this 2, that means 4, and zx means xz we can write. I hope you all might be getting it. And that's the answer that we are getting, friends, is 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. I hope you all might be getting it. So if you have understood, pause the video and try to solve by your own, friends. In this way, we'll solve the third sum and the remaining 4 sums also, based on this concept only or by using that formula only. Yes, so let's begin with the third sum without wasting a time. So first we'll assume the value. The value of x is -2x. Value for y is 3y, and value for z is 2z. That we can directly write from the question. Yes, how we have to find the value? Again, I'm telling it. -2x plus 3y plus 2z the whole square. So how I have assumed the value for x, I have tried to relate it with the question. -2x we have got the value like this, and value for y is 3y, and value for z is 2z. I hope you all might be getting it. In this way, I have assumed the value that you can easily assume from the given question. So let's begin with the RHS side of the given formula. Yes, we have to just put the value for x, y, and z in the formula. Value for x is -2x the whole square, plus value for y is 3y. We'll put 3y the whole square. So value of z is 2z the whole square plus 2. As per our formula, value for x is -2x, and value for -2x, and value for y is 3y. I'm writing over here because I am having lack of space, friends. That's why I'm writing over here. Plus 2, as it is, y means 3y and z means 2z, plus 2 as it is, 2z into -2x. I hope you all might be getting it, and you all must be capable of doing this step by your own. So We have to just write the last step and get the answer. Minus 2x square, that means minus 2 into minus 2, that means plus 4, and x means x square, that means, and 3 plus 3, 3 square, 3 3s are 9. So 9 square y square plus 2 2s are 4z square. Square of 2 is 4 and square of 3 is 9. In this way we can write. Now 2 into minus 2 would be minus 4 into 3, that would be minus 12. I hope you all might be getting it. So I will write minus 12. Now x into y. Yes. Now we'll put the value for plus, because 2 3s are 6 and 6 2s are 12, and the sign is plus, so 12yz. Yes. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, but the sign is minus, so minus 8xz. I hope you all might be getting it, and you all might be getting this answer only. I hope that you have solved correctly. So let's begin with the fourth sum for the day. If you understood now, you can pause the video and try to solve the remaining three sums by your own. Yes, so here you have to pause the video, and friends, if you like my content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin with the fourth sum for the day. That is, first, again I am telling you that how to find the value for x, y and z. 3a minus 7b minus c whole square. We have to relate it with our question. Value for x we have got is 3a. Value for y we have got is minus 7b, and value for c is minus 1c. Value for c we have got is minus 1c, or minus c. You can directly say it as minus c, because all the signs are positive, so we have to take along with the sign. Value for y is minus 7b, and value for z is minus 1c. It is value for z. Yes, friends. In this way we have written the value for x, y and z over here. So let's solve the sum, right hand side of our question. So we'll just put the value of x, y and z in the equation, and we'll find the value. Value for x is 3a, so 3a square plus y means minus 7b square plus z means minus 1c the whole square plus 2, as it is. Value for x is 3a, and value for y is minus 7b. Yes, plus 2, as it is. Y is minus 7b, and z is minus 1c. Plus 2, as it is. Minus 1c is the value for z, and value for x is 3a, that we have to put. I hope you all might be getting it. You will solve 10 to 5 to 6 terms based on the same formula. You will be easily able to recall the formula, and you don't need to learn it or waste your time by learning it. Yes, friends. And if you have already learned, your formula would be by hearted properly, and you won't forget this formula for the lifetime. So now let's just solve it. 9 3 square, 3a square, that means 9a square minus 7 square is 49 only, and plus 7 square is also 49. So minus 7 square is 49, and b square is b square. Square for b is b square. I hope you all might be getting it. So now minus 1 square is plus 1, and c square as it is, plus, now we have to multiply. 2 3s are 6, and 6 7s are 42, but the minus sign is there, so minus 42ab. I hope you all might be getting it, friends. Now 2 7s are 14, minus 14 into minus 2 into minus 7, it is minus 14 into minus 1, that means plus 14 bc. Similarly, here 2 into minus 1 would be minus 2 into 3, that means minus 6ac. I hope you all might be getting it, friends. And in this way we have solved our fourth sum also. So let's begin with the fifth sum. So friends, if you like my content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have understood the concept, pause the video and try to solve by your own. And I am solving fifth sum for you over here. So let's begin with the basic only. Try to relate our question with the formula. Plus 5y minus 3z the whole square. So value of x we have got is minus 2x. We can relate it. Value for y we have got is 5y, and value for z is minus 3z. I hope you can relate it properly. Then also I will tell you. Value for x is minus 2x. Value for y is plus 5y, and value for z is minus 3z. Along with the sign if minus sign is present. I hope you all might be getting it. And that was very easy. So let's begin with the RHS of the sum. Let's solve it further. So we have to put the value over here in the equation. I hope you all might be getting, and you all know that what we are supposed to do. So value for x is minus 2x the whole square plus value for y is 5y the whole square, and value for z is 3 minus 3z. Yes. Now 2 as it is, value for x is minus 2x, value for y is 5y. Similarly for this, value for y is 5y and value for z is minus 3z, plus 2 as it is, value for z is minus 3z and value for x is minus 2x. I hope you all might be capable of doing this sum till this step. Now we are on the merge of completing the sum. So minus 2 square is plus 4, so 4 as it is, and x square is as it is. 5 square, that means 25y square, minus 9z square, minus 3z square. The square for this would minus 3 square is plus 9, and z square is z square. Now plus 2 into minus 2 would be minus 4, minus 4 into 5, that means minus 20 would be there, so you don't have to make mistake by adding directly plus sign in your answer. Yes friends, so it would be minus 20xy. That thing you have to keep in the mind. Now 5 to the 10, 10 3 is 30, but it is minus 3, so answer would be minus 30yz. Now 2 into minus 3 would be minus 6, and minus 6 into minus 2, that means plus 12xz. I hope you all might be getting it, and that was our answer. So friends, if you have understood the concept over here, pause the video and try to solve by your own. And if you like the content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. And that's the last sum for the day. That is little bit different from the other sums. It is not different, but after seeing such big sums, you might be feeling that that's something difficult, but it is not difficult. We have to just follow the basic steps as I already told you. It is 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1. Yes friends, this is the same. We have to just relate it with our question. So value for x we have got is 1 by 4a is the value for x. Value for y we have got is minus 1 by 2b. Why minus? Because we have to take along with the sign if it is minus sign is there. Value for z is 1 only. I hope you all might be getting it, and all have understood that how we can relate it with our question. Now we will solve and put the value for x, y and z onto the RHS side of the given equation. So value for x we have found is 1 by 4a. 1 by 4 a square plus value for y is minus 1 by 2b the whole square plus value for z is 1 square 2. Value for x is 1 by 4a. Value for b is minus 1 by 2b. Yes, value for y is minus 1 by 2b. Value for z is plus 1. Similarly, value for z is 1 and value for a is 1 by 4a. I hope you all might be capable of writing till this step. Now, the last step we all know, and some students might be facing problem about finding the square because it is in denominator. We just don't have to think whether it is to be the fraction or whatsoever the value is to be given. If the value of the number is in denominator, we have to just write the value in denominator. So we all know the square of 4 is 16, but the 4 is in denominator, so our answer would also be 16 would also be in denominator, and a square as it is. Yes, minus 1 by 2. 2 square we all know that is 4, but it is minus 1 by 2. That means minus minus would be plus. So 1 by 2 square would be 1 by 4b square. Yes, and 1 square as it is, that means 1. Now 2 into 1 by 4. So one thing we can do over here is, friends, we can cancel this 2 and this 2. Yes, so the only thing that we are left with minus 1 by 4ab. Minus sign came from here, so you don't have to forget that minus sign. Yes. Now similar thing we can do over here is 2 and 2 gets cancelled over here. So minus 1b into 1 would be minus 1b, or we can write it as minus b also. Now 2 into 1 into 1 by 4a. 2 and 4 can be cancelled, that over here 1 into 1 by 2a is to be left. So our answer would be 1 by 2a. I hope you all might be getting it, and that was the easiest sum, friends. I hope you all have understood. So friends, if you like my content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching you.